Look. Woo! Should have been here, buddy. Yeah, we have fun every day. Woo!
Film.
No.
That's right. It's a long motherfucking film. Shirley, what? Don't make Shirley be on you. Yeah.
Do the PJ. No. You gotta do this. Ready?
What?
Go.
Hey, what are we doing? What are we doing? I'm a little sweaty. It's really hot in here.
Dude, I'm fucking dying right now. This shit's funny.
What is she doing? What the fuck is she doing? She's squeezing my boobies. I have no clue what she's doing. Is that blurry? Is my eyeball?
No, it's all blurry.
It is blurry.
It's like we're underwater.
Why is that blurry?
You can poke it all you want, but it's still fucking blurry.
It's still blurry. Hang on. Hey! Still blurry. Still blurry. I don't understand why it's fucking blurry. Why is it blurry? What do you got? It's all blurry. Oh, look at that shit. It's
cold.
Why is it blurry? I don't get why it's blurry. I know why.
It's almost like zooming in. You know?
Yeah, Snapchat pictures, right?
It's all blurry. I don't get it. Why is that blurry?
Look at my phone.
Look, you're blurry. All right, fuck it. Let's go the other way. Let's go the other
That's
way.
because you're recording, PJ. You're recording.
Much better.
Oh, yeah.
See? Much better. Hey! There we go. Now we're better. Hey! 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 There we are. Hey! Hey! I don't know who you are, but hey! Oh! Hey! Oh!
Yo!
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Oh, hey! Where's the wives? Where's the wives? Are they out there again?
My wife is with your wife.
Oh yeah, well.
You should find them because we might be single soon.
Yeah. That sounds like freaking weird shit going on over there.
That's what it sounded like.
There you go. There you go. Look at Shane go, buddy. Look at him go. Yeah. Go, Shane. Woo! Yeah, motherfucker. Woo! You got your shit, dude. You got your shit right here. Right here, buddy. Fist pump. Shane goes good. Now shut it off. There they are. There they are.
Yeah, she kicked ass on that. She picked it up.
We heard you two. We heard you two out there fucking grinding it. You guys grinding it? Huh? Huh? Are you grinding it? Yeah? I'm gonna save this one for my personal thing there.
You're so dirty. Shake that shit.
Shake that shit, man.
Shake what your mama gave you.
Shake it, baby. Woo! Yeah. There they go. There they go. There they go.
Dude, seriously, I love those guys.
Oh, they're gonna fall. Oh, there she goes. He goes, oh no, don't do that. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh, look at it. She's ready to make a fucking dive. Are you gonna fucking dive? Ah! He's like, I'm getting out of here. Hey, smart man.
Look at her. Hey, look.
Look, 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 look.
Come here.
Hey, you touched my ding dong. Don't do that.
Are you?
You accidentally touched my ding dong. I thought I liked it though.
Hey, are you from Pennsylvania? Cause you know.
Oh, oh, you want to get into it too?
My fingers, they all lick my finger.
They all like you.
both lick my
like.
finger.
Let me see the finger.
They lick my finger.
Let me see the
They
finger.
like my
Let me
finger.
see it. There it is. There it is.
Oh, they like my finger.
Oh, well, yeah, no. What are you doing? Oh, wait a minute. We gotta reverse it.
Go, Dan, look. Hey,
I'm a
Dan.
little sweaty though.
Wait, watch. Ready?
I don't know how to get it back.
Come on.
I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to reverse it. Awesome fucking time, dude. Look at that fucking color lights. Those lights are, look at, oh, those are pretty. Wow, those are kind of mesmerizing. Dude, you just freaked me out, dude. That's kind of mesmerizing. What is this? What is this? What is this? Really, really colorful. Oh my God, I'm kind of like mesmerized. Woo! Hey, I didn't see you. I was seeing an eyeball. Everything's blue. Look at it. Everything is blue, though. Look, everything's blue. Okay? Yeah.
You see that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. I see that Celeste middle finger, motherfucker.
Oh, look at this.
What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing?
That's a Mexican
Oh.
job.
Oh, what? The Mexican job?
That's a
Yeah, man.
Mexican
Hey,
mob.
Mexican job. What's under that right there?
That's a Mexican mob.
That belly, you don't want to
Dude,
see.
that's a Mexican mob.
Shirley said to me, last time I took pictures, she goes, hey, next time you take pictures. What was that?
Look.
It's like a blowfish. Oh, you're a dirty, dirty girl, but I like it. Look at her go. Look at her go.
Shay, fine.
There she goes.
Give her the Chinese fine.
Go, Shane. Go, Shane. Go, Shane.
Go, Shane, get that.
Come on, you guys, do it. Do it. Do it. There you go. Woo! Yeah! Show that motherfucking shit up, bitch. There you go. Slap